In this video, I want to talk about how you can sell options inside of Webull. Now, the first step is we need to have a verified account and we need to make sure that options trading is enabled. So to do this, you want to open up the Webull app, go to the menu and go to settings. Inside of there, you want to go to manage brokerage account, click on the options trading. And from in here, we want to make sure that we complete the ETO assessment to be able to trade options. After that, you want to press submit, and what this will do is they're going to review it, and then you can check if they're going to accept you or reject you. After this is done, and if we get accepted, we can open up the Webull app, search for any stock that we want to sell options on, and on the stocks quote page, there will be a button called options. You want to click on this one, and from in here, you can sell options. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.